Hello everyone, my name is Dani and I'm really excited about starting this journey of having my own YouTube channel. I have to give a big shout out to Hey Angela Marie. She's the one that's convinced me that I can do this. So on my channel I'm going to be creating floral arrangements, centerpieces of that nature, basically from very little money. A lot of my pieces I've picked up at the Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Family Dollar, some Walmart, but I try to keep each piece less than $10 to $15 max. I've looked through a lot of videos and I've seen beautiful masterpieces that, you know, are set for celebrity weddings. But then I go and try to find out how much it costs, and it costs sometimes hundreds, even thousands of dollars. And it got me thinking, if you have someone that you know that can make crafts, or you would like to try, a lot of this can be done at home. You just need patience, time, and the determination to get it done. So I look forward to sharing videos with you of the pieces that I am making. Everything that I make can be found on my website, which I will put in the description box below. And if you have any questions, please give me a message, or you can email me. You can find me on my Instagram, and I'll help you as much as I can. Thank you.